When running an experiment, sometimes we interpret a negative result for one variable to be a positive result for the other. It is very important to avoid such logic, as it will often lead us to incorrect conclusions. For example, say we are testing to see if red or blue paint is better for the aerodynamics of a vehicle due to the differences in the wavelengths of light they absorb. What if we looked at the data from the blue vehicles and found that they did not affect aerodynamics? Does this mean that the red paint must have an effect? Not at all. Just because one of the variables doesn't work out, doesn't mean that the other one has to. The only way to determine if red affects aerodynamics would be to actually run the test with the red paint. Now let's say that we found that red paint does help increase aerodynamics. What would happen if we had a vehicle half painted red and the other half painted blue? Would the red and blue cancel out? Would the aerodynamics of the vehicle only increase by half of what a completely red car would? Sometimes we report either of these predictions based on the data from completely red and completely blue vehicles. But should we? Absolutely not. We can make guesses as to what might happen, but the only way we will know for sure if the variables affect each other would be to run more trials testing how they interact. Remember to not make assumptions about variable relationships until they've undergone conclusive testing.